Hey guys, so season 5 has arrived, and you can see there is a bug like this. You can see this some black thing. I don't know, there is some lighting issue. Oh, I don't know, but for training it is okay. But while you are game, this is so irritating. So I have a fix for this thing, temporary, but you can play with that. So you can go to setting. You can change your anti-aliasing to none and your streaming budget to none, and you apply and you can see, yeah, you got something so that you can play. So this is the coolest fix for now. Maybe Respawn will do something for this. So with this one you can play now, and yep, I'll show you what are the changes they do in the games. So as you can see, we have Loba.
I'm not
So
done
everyone
yet.
know by the trailer that we have this ability.
Throwing jump drive.
Yeah, so this is so cool. You can go behind your opponent, and but it is taking 20 or maybe 30 seconds to again you can use that. So and you have this Z,
Opening shop.
so
Come
you
see the
can open a
merchandise.
shop and you can access anything. So now you can see Peacekeeper is also in a legendary
Don't mind
gun.
if I do.
Peacekeeper in a legendary gun, you can see here Peacekeeper and Mastiff. This is the biggest nerf for the Mastiff. You can see now it is in a normal gun. It is not a legendary gun anymore. And as you can see, we have Loba. So you can see one more thing, cool thing about Loba. You can see from how much far distance you can see Loba's loot. It is so cool. You can see this is like a ESP. You can say all the legendary loot you can see from here. And yep, I like one more fix for this
Here I
Mirage.
come!
So
Mirage to the
see this
rescue!
thing.
Send in a decoy. Okay, wait, how do I know that I'm not the decoy?
So
Alright, this is
this
dream
is a
within dream
decoy. Now it is normal, as you can see. So when it will again, you can press H to control its movement. I'll show you how.
stuff. Bam to the woozle, sending out a decoy.
You can see how it work. It is so cool. So people can't even imagine that it is not you. It is something. And this is for 60 seconds. So you can play with them while your team is rotating. So one this thing, and in Z also it's uh, ability. They also buffed that one also. You can there all the decoy will do the same thing. I'll show you. And they change the grapple timing also. So I'll show you. With the Mirage, you can go.
Using the decoy escape.
You can see like this. How cool it is. How they can find which one is you. They are going so far. First of all, they can't see you. If they see you also, then also you can see. This is so cool buff for the Mirage. So and one more. Okay, I'll go for the. Now you can see for the Pathfinder.
Come to save the
So I have a
day.
grapple.
Maybe.
I'll do one grapple.
Using grapple.
Okay. So now you can see it is 35 seconds. Before it was 25 seconds. So people can rotate so fast. So now it is, they change it to 35, as you can see. And there is a lot of patch. I didn't even saw all of them, but I got this fix for that black bug, which is again I'll remember you. So you have to do this none and this thing. If it is like this, you can see it is black, and again you can change this to and apply, and you can see bug is fixed. So thanks for watching.